Today's AI news is full-on chaos in the best way. Google just dropped a reasoning breakthrough, OpenAI hit code red again, Amazon is building AI factories, and DeepSeek is basically saying, frontier AI should be cheap. Let's jump in. Google launched Gemini 3 and Gemini 3 Pro with record-breaking reasoning scores across math, coding, visuals, and spatial logic. It's now built into search, workspace, and ads, and early tests show 72% answer accuracy. This is a generational leap and a direct shot at OpenAI, which is why Sam Altman has reportedly activated code red. OpenAI is pushing GPT 5.2 out next week and pausing side projects to focus purely on speed, reasoning, and reliability. The AI rivalry is officially insane. AWS also joined the party, announcing AI factories that let governments and enterprises deploy high-performance AI stacks right inside their own data centers. No waiting years for infrastructure, just plug in and run frontier models with full data control. And DeepSeek is back with V3.2, a 685 billion parameter model matching GPT-5 performance while costing 90% less. At 2.8 cents per million tokens, the economics of AI are changing fast. In other news, Meta bought Limitless, the AI memory pendant startup, to power its next generation of AR and AI glasses. And Google's Nano Banana Pro went viral again, with hyper-realistic images that sparked the "Are we cooked?" debate across X. India continues to lead global AI adoption at 30%, while designers on X are showing 50% faster workflows with AI tools. And OpenAI quietly rolled out a personal shopping assistant inside ChatGPT just in time for the holidays. The big picture: AI reasoning, AI hardware, AI shopping, AI video, AI malware. Everything is accelerating at once. Subscribe for tomorrow's updates. You'll definitely need them.